Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
Planning for emergencies can be complicated with a seemingly endless checklist of gear, water, and food to gather. Mountain House has a well-designed food solution to simplify your planning and preparation just in case. We have created emergency food supply kits that each contain entrees for 2, 3, 4, or 5 days. Their compact sizes make them easy to stack and store until their time of need. Each includes a unique variety of our popular breakfast, lunch, and dinner entrees, such as our breakfast skillet, lasagna, beef stew, and pasta primavera. Each delicious entree is simple to prepare. Just add hot water directly to the pouch, seal it up, and you will be eating in under 10 minutes. From 2 days to 2 years, Mountain House just-in-case kits are the perfect way to build your emergency food foundation. No matter the situation, have faith that you'll look forward to eating these family-friendly, widely acclaimed recipes, each backed with our 12-plus year taste guarantee. Visit mountainhouse.com and start building your emergency supply today.
Hi, my name's Mike and I'm with 12 Survivors, and I want to talk to you about one of our products, which is the off-grid stove. When you get the stove, it'll come in a package like so. This stove is stainless steel. As you can see, it folds flat. It comes with a grill top. The stove actually opens up into panels. You have a ash plate that you simply snap the pieces together. Here on the front plate, you'll see these little latches. Sometimes you might have to tweak them just a little bit, and when you do, you wind up with the off-grid stove. The grill top makes it real handy. A lot of your other stoves that are out on the market of this type wood-burning stoves, the tops are open and you have to have little bars that you put across the top. Well, depending on the diameter of your pot or a bottle you're trying to boil, it might not set on correctly. So 12 Survivors came up with a grill top that will sit right on top, and it'll enable you to put various sizes of pots on the stove. It'll allow you to actually cook on the grill top if you need to. It folds very flat. It weighs practically nothing, and in this state, this would easily fit into a cargo pocket, easily into your backpack, and you would have no idea that it was even there. Again, this is the off-grid stove, stainless steel with the ash plate, nylon pouch, 12 Survivors. Go ready.
Hey guys, this is MMA fighter Justin Wren, and I'm excited to introduce you to our Eco Survivor Lantern, the 4D battery version. And so these things are super tough, and they also have 3 different versions, from the high setting to the medium setting and to the low. And then what's awesome about them is that you can hang them. If you need to use the carabiner to hang it up inside a tree, you can easily do so by using the little clip and hanging it like so. These things are super tough and durable. They're impact and dust and water resistant. I've stood on top of these while they're on, and I've jumped around on them, and the globe is just designed to be super tough and strong. And so these are just great lanterns for any lighting need that you'll need while you're out on the campsite. So, and again, our 50% promise from the 50% net proceeds will go to help knock out the world's water crisis. So thank you.
Has this ever happened to you? You're traveling with friends in Berchtesgaden, and everyone has a different adventure planned for the day. Ming wants to climb a mountain and take pictures. David and Anna want to find a river and enjoy the sun. And you just want to find a Reinheitsbad Weizenbad. Because you don't go to Berchtesgaden without trying the Reinheitsbad. The problem is my phone has no service in Berchtesgaden, and I still want to know what my friends are doing. That's why on this adventure, we each brought a goTenna mesh. Once paired with your phone, goTenna mesh generates its own radio signal so you can send text and GPS locations using a simple app. No towers, routers, or satellites required. Sent and received. I can send a direct message to David, a group chat to my friends, or broadcast to any goTenna in the area. goTenna has great point-to-point communication range, but with this groundbreaking mesh networking technology, it's possible to double or triple your range by hopping through other goTenna mesh units in the area. You don't even need to know the other users or do anything. It's automatic and private. So I'm able to receive a message from Ming, who's on top of a mountain, because our friends and other goTenna mesh users act as relay points between us. Imagine using this at a music festival or on the slopes. The possibilities are endless. Unlike traditional communication networks, goTenna mesh actually gets stronger the more users join it. We call this people-powered connectivity. One more to go, please.